All right, so this is another problem I had a request for. It's from the 2002 problem number 45. It reads, what is the mole fraction of ethanol? So they give you the formula ethanol in aqueous solution. So aqueous definitely implying that it's talking about H2O. They tell you that it is 46% ethanol by mass. They give you the molar mass of the ethanol and also the molar mass of water. So they tell me it's 46% ethanol by mass. Then what we're going to do here is I'm just going to write down grams of ethanol. So just write down kind of what the generic equation is going to be here. Grams of ethanol, and it's percent by mass, so it would be total mass. So grams of ethanol plus the grams of the water times 100 is going to equal 46%. So the best way to solve this problem is to simply assume that you have 100, hold on Olivia, assume that you have 100 grams of solution. If you assume that you have 100 grams of solution, then this is going to represent the number of grams of the ethanol. So I have 46 grams of the C2H5OH, which means that I would also have 54 grams of the H2O. In this case, they want percent or the molar fraction. So what I need to do is just get the moles of each one. Now the great thing here is that they gave you the molar mass of the ethanol and they told you it was 46. And once again, they try to make these things work out very nice. But this is 46 grams of the ethanol, C2H5OH, and its molar mass is 46.0 grams of the per 1 mole of the methanol. Then in this case, you're just going to end up with exactly 1 mole of the methanol. Now, do you need to solve it this way? No. Hopefully you can see that's going to give you 1 mole. For the water, we'll take and figure out how many moles of that we have. 54 grams of H2O. Once again, if I'm solving this on the AP, I'm not putting all these units down. I'm going to go a lot quicker. I'm just going to put that I have 18 grams per 1 mole. I might put H2O here so I know that this is H2O coming out. So if you look at it, what we have here is this is going to go into 54 and give me 3. So if I'm looking for the molar fraction in this case, well, molar fraction is the mole of methanol. So 1 mole of methanol divided by the total moles. So that'd be 1 plus 4, which is going to give me 0.25. And remember, molar fraction is not a percent. It's just what it stated, a fraction. So the answer is 0.25, which means that we're looking at A as being the answer. So the key to breaking down these problems is to always kind of break it out into what the equation is looking for. Anytime they're giving you percents, assume you have 100 grams of that substance. In this case, 100 grams of solution. And it makes it really easy to get the number of grams of the other. Now, you can assume any grams you want, but 100 is going to be the easiest way to allow you to get to the numbers that you need with regards to, in this case, the ethanol and also the water. I hope this helps out. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to email me.